trying to remove this, and although I already removed two of the screws behind here, let's see, there's a slot. There's one here on the left and another one on the right. Those are torque screws. Removed it, but I still can't remove the back panel. Okay, just to reset, I'm trying to remove this fuse box. I remove a screw here, which is easy enough. And then this particular part, there was a clip that clips onto this fragile piece of stuff, plastic, and it screws over and through and locks it here. So this is the screw. Okay, so just to remember. Therefore, I have to remove the fuse box so that I can have a look at the that thing there. Hopefully I can push this piece out and the piece here out so that I can release the tension. Okay. Well, I'm trying to remove this thing out. It's not that easy. It seems like something is still stopping me from removing. I've removed the two screws that is on the two metal clips. That was on the two metal clips. There are some obvious tensions. I'm trying to pull it out. It's working. So maybe I don't know. Release it from here. Receive it at the back here. Okay. So I managed to pull the wire out with the ball. I still can't push this thing out. Hey, sorry, I already removed these two screws. So for some reason this piece cannot come out. And if it can come out, then it will be an easy job to hook back this part to the ball. The ball needs to be here. The ball needs to be, hold on, the light is not shining. The ball needs to be here. The ball needs to be here. So finally I got this out. This piece here has got, if you can see, something here. Let me see. Okay, something here, you see? This part requires a bit of energy to pull it out from the slot here. Oh, now I broke something. Okay? Broke something. Well, so because of this hard piece of plastic here, this, I don't know, lock. You're not supposed to take it out, I guess. Okay, now that it's out, and I got it out, it's a matter of pulling this out, turning it around, putting the cable through here, make sure the ball is in here, turn it around, and slot it back and try to get. So now this is a two-piece. This is the replacement piece. This was the broken piece. Well, okay, let's try. Better light, I hope. Okay. Just don't move everywhere. Okay. Get it through. Get it through the hole. Slot it in. Push it through. Push it through. Oh, there you go. Now it's in. Well, just push it back. Now we gotta hold this one, locked it in here so that the wire can pull. Okay, doesn't look like there's a lot more to do. It's near now. Okay, guys, everything is back. Not back yet. Still need to put this back, but it's back in position. I'll test it first. So that's the brake. Okay. All right. So it's done. This is back, working properly. The side panels back. One last try. Release. Okay.